Pretties, welcome back to Pretty Incorporated, where we are loving on ourselves and shining our light on the world as everyday women, okay? I'm Germany, and today I'm bringing you how I style this half wig, how I get my leave out together, all of that stuff. I love this look on me. I'm not going to hold you any longer. We're going to get to the video and get into these tips and details. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my U-part wig, how I blend my hair with it, how I make it look just nice and just flow and just merge and flow together with this half wig that I've created. So, alright, so here we are. I have braided down the back. Okay, don't really matter as long as it's braided down, or you can put it in a ponytail, whichever you prefer. But I'm going to have it up for a while, so I just do that. So I've already blow dried my hair. Boom, boom, boom. Now I'm going to part my hair in the way that I want it to go. Me, I like a little deep blue side part. Says that. Boom, boom, bam. Nothing rude, nothing special. We just do it like that. Okay, so I've sectioned it, my hair already, and so now I'm going to start flat ironing my hair and blending in the tracks. So I'm using, this is the Baby Bliss Pro Prima 3000. Love this thing. Be careful because it will burn the sugar honey iced tea out of you. When you do this, you do not want to put any oil on your scalp because the tracks will slip and they will not stay. I learned it the hard way because I was like, girl, I need some oil on my hair. No, ma'am, don't do that because they're not going to stay. And these kind of got like a red tint, excuse me. It's still got like a red tint in it, but it's cool. So I like to do the chase method where I use the brush, catch my root, and bam. And we are straight. You just want to do it one time through. Then you want to take some hair. It don't matter what it is. These, baby, and I reuse these like nobody's business, so they're probably nasty, but please forgive me for that. Then you just want to cut. I just really eyeball it. I'm gonna cut about. You want to make it to where it kind of stretches over to where you have left your U part out, because you want it to be really connected to you probably have its flat spots. And then if I was doing this in my bathroom, which I'm not because I'm in my little beauty area, I would have a blow dryer going so that I can blow dry it and it will stay. But unfortunately, I'm not going to get the blow dryer, and we're just going to have to let it do what it do, right? Right. Hopefully it won't come out. So just put it back in there. Me, and I may be doing this wrong. I'm probably putting shit. I shouldn't put this on my scalp, but it doesn't. It doesn't take my hair out. They stay in so long, and when I get ready to take them down, I end up washing them out, and they just slip right on out. Literally, I may have one strand in there or two, but I literally leave this style up at least a good 2 weeks because I can wrap my hair with it. I can take the wig off and wrap the front of it around, put a scarf on, and it's like boom, it's good to go. So that's another tip. You don't have to worry about your hair and things falling all that, because it doesn't. And I've been doing this for quite some time. So, but I'm gonna let y'all just watch me do this side, and then when I get on the other side, I will come back. Alright, so now you see that I have done this side, and we'll see what I do to my edges when we are really finished with it. And so then I like to try to take some of this Moroccan dry oil I need to replenish to catch the flyaways a little bit right in here. Just lay it down, and there you go. And then we're gonna do this side. But before we do this side, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on so that I can make sure that I'm putting the tracks where this meets. So again, I'm also gonna be showing y'all clips of how I added hair in here and how I just constructed. It was a long one, but I cut it short because we're going for the look of the natural look. The long, 24-inch hair. We're getting a little older, and we ain't not in the game no more. So I'm not in that game no more. So okay, so now that I have it installed, it helps me to better be able to gauge where I'm going to how far I'm gonna bring the tracks. So you want to just again part it. Let me do it this way. Better. That side over there is okay. This side gonna be even better because I've put the wig on. So my suggestion would be if you make yourself a half wig, and again this was actually a whole wig, that a frontal wig that I turned into a half wig because I'm trying to give that natural looking style. So yeah, okay, all these wig pieces, just you gotta play around with them. That's all I can tell you. And you made this. So you make sure you want to put it back a few inches from your hair. So And also when I measure, I try to measure, like I try to push it back a few inches away from the edge, and then I try to just stop exactly where the wig and the hair meets. Okay, so boom, hit my mic. Okay, so I have installed the tracks and things like that. You can see, look at that, girl, gorgeous, 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 and so you see how some of it is longer than the hair. All I do is I'm just gonna go in, baby, and we're just gonna go in like an angle like this, and then just kind of fade off, drop down. Come over here as well, do the same thing. It's not that far off. I don't really care because it's gonna be blunt anyway, but yeah. And so then I kind of do it like that, and boom. Now we're gonna get into styling it. So let me turn you up, mirror. We're gonna get into how I kind of style it. So let me turn on my curling iron. Here, you already on. But yeah, so first we're gonna lay these baby hairs, okay? Cause honey, my edges have broken off, and that's just with nutrients and things like that, and thinning my hair, thinning out also. So that's really just another thing. So I don't make baby hairs. I make baby hairs some parts, but I make them like swoops, little swoops. And I also had my hair cut at one point, and so this part was faded out, and so it's just been, you know, a whirlwind. So I'm going to be using the 24-hour edge tamed by Eben, and I'm going to be using the Got To Be glue, spike glue and gel. And I know some people don't like baby hairs, swoops of baby. I love baby hair, my little swoops and stuff, girl. So I'm just gonna kind of finesse the front and fix it. Camera has stopped, but like I was saying, I'm just gonna style the curl the front, kind of just blend it in. Since it's already kind of curled, we're gonna have to do a lot, so y'all could just see how you curl. I just want to show you how I do that little top part with my real hair. And you can do half wig. Some of this not an actual half wig, but you can do so many different things you want to do with your hair at the front. But for me, this is kind of what I like, and I'm really liking this look. I can't wait till my real hair can get like this. Or I really want to try Microlinks and stuff like that, but I don't really know about Microlinks just yet, so we're still thinking about it. But this, honey, this saves your girl money, because Microlinks like $700. What? Who? Baby, right here we trying to save the coins, okay? Just be real with you. We trying to save the coins, not break the bank. Do you hear me? Alright, pretties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know if you ever try half a wig, how you like it, how you style it. Please share with us those wigs that you get. Again, I will link the wig down and below. And I thank you first for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Pretty family because we're only getting bigger from here. And I will see you ladies in the next video.